You know the words. You know the sentences. You can talk about your daily routine in your head.
But when someone asks, "So, how is your day?" your mind goes blank.
Why does English feel easy, but speaking feels impossible?
Stay with us. Today, you will finally understand the real reason, and more important, you will learn how to fix it.
Hello and welcome back. This is your safe place to practice English speaking.
No pressure, no judgment. Just real English, real help.
If you understand English but feel scared, slow, or stuck when you speak, this episode is for you.
By the end, you will feel lighter, and you will know exactly what to practice.
Let me ask you something. Can you understand this sentence?
I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Easy, right?
But now, imagine this. Someone asks you, "Tell me about your day."
Your heart beats fast. Your mouth feels dry. Your brain says, no signal.
Why does this happen?
The reason is simple, but no one explains it clearly. Daily routine English feels easy because it is memory English.
You memorized it. You learned it from books, from school.
But speaking is not memory. Speaking is a skill.
Skills are different.
You can read about driving a car, but you cannot drive without practice.
Speaking English is the same. Your brain knows the words. Your mouth is not trained.
Quick question. Answer in your head.
Do you translate from your language to English when you speak?
If yes, you are normal. Most learners do this. Translation is slow. Your brain thinks, translates, checks grammar, checks pronunciation.
By the time you are ready, the moment is gone. That is why daily routine English feels easy. You don't translate it anymore.
Mini quiz. Which is easier for you?
I wake up at 7 every day. Or, yesterday I had a strange day at work.
Notice your answer. Now let's talk about fear.
Fear is quiet, but powerful.
Many learners are afraid of mistakes.
They think people will judge them, so the brain chooses silence.
Silence feels safe, but it stops progress. I met a learner named Sarah.
She understood movies and articles.
But in meetings, she said nothing.
She said, "I know the answer, but I'm scared to speak."
Her English was good, her confidence was not.
Repeat after me. It's okay to make mistakes.
Again, it's okay to make mistakes. Here's the biggest secret.
Most learners practice listening and reading.
But speaking needs speaking.
You must practice speaking badly first.
Listen to this. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Now, real speaking. I usually wake up around 7. I feel tired. Then I rush to work.
Real English is not perfect.
It is human.
Your turn. Say one sentence about your day.
Not perfect, just real.
Another quick quiz. Which is better? Perfect grammar and silence, or simple English and confidence? Step 1. Stop trying to be perfect.
Your goal is communication, not exams.
Step 2. Think in English.
Small thoughts. I'm tired. This is good.
Let's practice. How are you today? Answer now. Any answer is good.
Here's a surprise. Children speak before grammar.
You can do the same. Step 3. Use short sentences.
Short sentences build confidence.
Final quiz. What will you say today? I am learning English. Or nothing. Final role play. What did you do yesterday?
I worked. I was tired. I relaxed at home.
Let's recap. Daily routine English is memorized.
Speaking is a skill.
Fear and translation block you.
Small, imperfect practice frees you.
You don't need more English. You need more courage.
Speak today, even one sentence.
Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more speaking practice.
Comment below. Write one sentence about your day.
Next time, we will show you how to speak without translating.
Keep speaking.